Welcome to this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom plus cloakroom townhouse in Las Palmeras de Benavista. Very close to shops and restaurants and cafes, just a couple of minutes walk. Also to the golf club and the tennis club, and just over the footbridge to the nearest beach. There's parking outside, swimming pool just at the end of the garden. You can see it has a fireplace, the living room and dining room leads out onto a terrace that we'll see in just a moment. Great sized kitchen in brilliant condition. This property enjoys a corner position, so it's quite bright inside compared to some of the other ones on this complex. You see through here we have the stairs going up to the bedrooms, and a cloakroom here by the front door. We'll just pop out to the terrace. The terrace has been glazed so that you can use it all year round. Great storage out here for tools or for children's toys. Lovely sunny morning. That gate leads out to the community swimming pool. There are actually 3 communities here in Las Palmeras de Benavista, each one with their own pool area. As you can see just down the side of the house, there's another table and chairs, which enjoys the shade in the morning if you need some shade for breakfast, and then the sun later on in the day. Let's have a look upstairs at the bedrooms. So here we are upstairs in the 2-bedroom townhouse in Las Palmeras de Benavista, just walking through to the master bedroom. You can see as we're on the end again, we've got a window to the side. Plenty of fitted wardrobes and also some extra storage space for visitors. And a lovely shower room with walk-in shower, and again with its own window. Supersized room leading out onto this balcony, which has been enclosed so that it could be used for a nursery. If you wanted to open it back up again, that would be no problem. Through here we have the second bedroom, the guest bedroom. Again, dual aspect, so lovely and bright inside. Good size room. Built-in wardrobes to the left, and also some extra wardrobes with the furniture. And the family bathroom. You can see through here.